हेलो एवरीबॉडी। आज हम लोग इकोनॉमिक सर्वे के क्वेश्चंस को डिस्कस करेंगे जो अपकमिंग 17th बीपीएससी के लिए बहुत बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। चलिए हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं। व्हाट वाज द एस्टिमेटेड ग्रोथ रेट ऑफ बिहार जीएसडीपी एट करेंट प्राइस फॉर 2022-23? 10.6%, 13.9%, 4.7%, 15.5%। तो करेक्ट आंसर इज 15.5%। When was the first economic survey of Bihar presented? 2006, 2007. Which chapter in Bihar Economic Survey 2023-24 focuses on the environmental impact? Environment, climate change and disaster management, urban development, enterprises sector, human development. So the correct answer is environmental, climate change and disaster management. What was the nominal per capita income of Bihar estimated to be for 2022-23? So 4.4 lakh crore, 35,119, 1,72,276, 59,637. So correct answer is 59,637. What percentage of GSDP is the gross fixed capital formation estimated to be 2022-23? 10.6%, 15.5%, 9%, 4.7%. So correct answer is 4.7%. What is the average annual growth rate of Bihar's nominal per capita income for 2018-19 to 2022-23? 2.3%, 9%, 15.5%, 7.6%. The correct answer is 7.6%. Which minister presented the Bihar Economic Survey 2023-24? Samrat Chaudhary, Finance Minister of India, Bihar Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister of India. So Samrat Chaudhary, he is also the Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar. What is the estimated growth rate of Bihar's real GSDP for 2022-23? 9%, 10.6%, 15.5%, 7.6%. So correct answer is 10.6%. What was the per capita consumption of power in Bihar in 2021-22? 245 kilowatt, 134 kilowatt, 329 kilowatt, 450 kilowatt. Correct answer is 329 kilowatt. Which of the following awards recognizes excellence in public administration? Digital India Award, Prime Minister National Award for Excellence in Public Administration, CSI Nehi Land E-Governance Award, Skill Development and Employability Award. So correct answer is Prime Minister National Award for Excellence in Public Administration. What percentage of power generation in Bihar came from renewable source in 2021-22? 40%, 31%, 25%, 50%. The correct answer is 31%. How much did the AT&C loss decrease from 2012-13 to 2022-23? 13.82, 30.82%, 30.31%, 54.63%, 20.31%. Correct answer is 30.82%. How many self-help groups have been formed in Bihar? 7.2 lakh, 5.67, 10.47, 12.89. So 10.47 lakh. What is the projected renewable energy generation target for Bihar by 2025-26? 45%, 35%, 40%, 30%. So correct answer is 35%. What sum is allocated each year for the हर खेत तक सिंचाई का पानी scheme starting from 2021-22? 300 crore, 400 crore, 200 crore, 100 crore. The correct answer is 300 crore. How many banks Sakhis have been selected under the alternative banking model in Bihar? 4,000, 5,006, 6,000, 2,000. So 5,006 is the correct answer. What was the average share of expenditure on women in the total state budget from 2016-17 to 2021-22? 14%, 4%, 5.2%, 17.4%. The correct answer is 14%. In 2021-22, what percentage of GSDP was allocated for the expenditure on women? 4%, 5.2%, 6.4%, 5.2%. Correct answer is 5.2%. What percentage of India's total child population is represented by Bihar shares? 15%, 10%, 8%, 12%. 12%. By what percentage did the overall expenditure for children increases annually between 2016-17 and 2021-22? 15.5%, 10%, 21.46%, 19.5%. The correct answer is 19.5%. What was the average annual percentage growth in real per capita income of Bihar over the last 5 years? 9%, 2.3%, 1.7%, 6.3%. The correct answer is 2.3%. What is the average annual mean temperature recorded in Bihar during 2022-23? 22 degrees Celsius, 24.7 degrees Celsius, 26.3 degrees Celsius, 20.5 degrees Celsius. The correct answer is 24.7 degrees Celsius. What was the per capita expenditure for children in the state in 2021-22? 7,956, 10,000, 5,000, 3,275. The correct answer is 7,956. In 2022-23, which sector had the highest estimated value-added growth rate in Bihar? Secondary sector, tertiary sector, agriculture sector, and primary sector. The correct answer is tertiary sector. How many lakh plantations were undertaken under the Jal Jeevan Haryali Abhiyan in 2021-23? 250 lakh, 288.31 lakh, 280 lakh, 300 lakh. 288.31 lakh is the correct answer. What is the estimated inflation rate in Bihar from September 2022 to September 2023? 5%, 6%, 4.5%, 5.5%. Correct answer is 5.5%. Which of the following district is identified as the most prosperous in Bihar for the year 2021-22 based on the per capita GDP? Patna, Begusrai, Muzaffarpur and Munger. Correct answer is Patna. During which season does over 81.7% of Bihar's rainfall occur? Summer, winter, southwest monsoon, post monsoon. The correct answer is southwest monsoon. What is the estimated share of the tertiary sector in Bihar gross value added for 2022-23? 40%, 70%, 60%, 50%. The correct answer is 60%. How does Bihar estimated per capita income growth rate for 2022-23 compared to India's? There is no comparison available. Higher than India's, equal to India's, lower than India's. Higher than India's. Correct answer. Which of the following district had the lowest consumption of petrol per 1,000 person in 2022-23? Patna, Banka, Shivar, Muzaffarpur. Correct answer is Banka. What was the estimated percentage increase in value added by the primary sector in Bihar 2022-23? Correct answer is 6.7%. What is the labor force participation rate in Bihar as per the periodic labor force survey 2022-23? The correct answer is 50.9%. How much did the construction sector grow from 2021-22 to 2022-23 in Bihar? Correct answer is 1.5 times. What contributed 37% to the Bihar economy compared to 27% in the Indian economy? So correct answer is construction, transport, communication, trade and hotel sector. Which two states had the higher transport motor vehicle registration than Bihar in 2022? Correct answer is Uttar Pradesh and Maharashtra. What was the growth of transport, storage and communication sector in Bihar 2011-12 to 2022-23? So correct answer is by 2.5 folds. What was the size of air transport in GSPA by 2022-23? Correct answer is 228.28 crore. What is the increase in passport application from 2021-22 to 2022-23 in Bihar? Correct answer is 82%. What policy did the Bihar state government adopt to address vehicular air pollution? The correct answer is Bihar Clean Fuel Policy. Okay, thank you.